జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 659th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం ఫ్రమ్ 70th శ్లోక. ఓం కామినే నమః. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattaru Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryah, Sri Rangesa Purohitaha, Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman, Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Kamine Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who gives more than what is asked. You are the one who has everything that is desired. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Kamine Namaha. Om Kamine Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindhakanda, Sugriva sending Setavali and other Vanaras towards north side to search for Sitamma. Sugriva saying that, O Vanaras, O my dear soldiers, you reach Kala Parvatam. There Mahabhagam Ramapatnim Tatastataha. Search for Sitamma everywhere. And after that you reach Sudarshana Parvatam. Then there is Devasakham Parvatam. In the premises of those two mountains, you have to search for Ravanaha Saha Vaidekhya Margitavyaha Tatastataha. Search for Ravana's living place and Sitamma everywhere in those forests, dens and banks of small ponds. Oh my dear soldiers, after that Devasakha mountain, there is going to be one dried land. There you won't see mountains. There you won't see rivers. There you won't see any trees. And there you won't see any kind of being living there. So you have to cross that Marubhumi as soon as possible and then reach Kailasam Panduram Sailam. Reach Kailasa Parvatam. On that Kailasa Parvatam, Kubera Bhavanam Divyam Nirmitam Visvakarmana. Kubera Bhavanam is there. Visvakarma built a palace for Kubera. And there is going to be one beautiful lotus park. And all great angels, Apsarasas, will be always enjoying in that park. In the same place, in the same Bhavanam, Yaksharaju, Kubera, along with his other Yakshas, will be living there. On that Kailasa Parvatam, in all dens, Vaidekhya Margitavyaha Tatastataha. For Sitamma, you have to search every place on that mountain. And from there you reach Kraunchagiri. On that Kraunchagiri, there is going to be so many Maharshis. And there you have to search everywhere. And from there go to Manasagiri. There also you have to search for Sitamma. And once you cross Kraunchagiri, you will also see Mainaka Parvatam. There you will see Maya Bhavanam. And in that place, around that Maya Bhavanam, everywhere search for Sita Devi. And from there you reach Siddhashramam. There Siddha Vaikhanasaha Tatra Valakhilyaascha Tapasaha. Siddhas, Vaikhanasas, Valakhilyas and all great rishis will be living there. Vandhyastetu, you all have to do namaskaram to all those great rishis and ask for Sitamma. You have to ask very humbly. And from there you reach Sailoda river. Both banks of river, that Sailoda, there will be some bamboo trees. And those every two bamboos gets together by themselves and helps the Siddhas to cross that river, to go from one bank to other bank of that river. Oh my dear soldiers, now from there you go to North Kuru Desham, the Uttara Kuru Desham. There you will see so many thousands of rivers, thousands of mountains. And all the trees in that Uttara Kuru Desham, they will give whatever you want, the trees. And some of the trees, they give so many ornaments, pearls and all those ornaments. And some of the trees will give you golden beddings. And some of the trees will give you striyascha guna sampanna rupayavvana lakshitaha. Those trees gives you beautiful girls. And oh my dear soldiers, you will find so many Gandharvas, Kinnaras, Siddhas, Uragas, Vidyadharas living over there. They are all great Punyatmas. Like this, Sugriva giving suggestions to Setavali and other Vanaras. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama 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 Dasharatha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. 70th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Kamadevaha, Kamapalaha, Kamikantaha, Krutagamaha, Anirdesya Vapuhu, Vishnuhu, Vironanto, Dhananjayaha. Kamadevah Kamapalah Kamikantah Krutagamaha Anirdesya Vapurvishnur Vironanto Dhananjayaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Shriman-Narayana. Om Kamine Namaha. Om Kamine Namaha. Om Kamine Namaha.